Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. As you see, I'm still working on Alpha 1 Gold. This I will update with later. But now we are once again going to run the binary option robot Alpha Master. You can have this robot also. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link below the video and you can download this robot and get started today. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also below the video you'll find a link to my free Telegram Forex signal group. So if that's something you're interested about, link below the video. But now, let's start up Alpha Master. Just like that, $181 in matter of minutes again. So thanks to Alpha Master, we are building this account amazingly. You can download this robot also completely free, link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.